And what is the first property of an acid? That acids, they are sour in taste. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि ये नींबू है और दुनिया में कहीं पर भी नींबू अगर आप टेस्ट करेंगे तो वो आपको खट्टा लगेगा. This proves that नींबू contains citric acid, the lemon contains citric acid, and citric acid is sour in taste. Basically, citric acid is a weak acid. In the same way, the second property, the first property of acid is that it is sour in taste. First property, and the second property of acid is that it turns blue litmus to red. It turns blue litmus to red. That acids, they turn blue litmus to red. Let us see this experiment. I have this blue litmus paper, as you can see, and I will pour some drops of lemon juice in it. As you can see, I had poured a few drops of lemon juice in it, and you can identify what color it is giving. What color it is giving? It is giving red color. So this is another property. You can see it has turned red. So this is another property of acid, that acids, they turn blue litmus paper red. Clear? Right? And another thing about one more property of acid is that acids or acid solution, they conduct electricity. Clear? Acid solution, they conduct electricity. That means all acid solutions, they act as, or they are basically electrolytes. All acid solutions, they are electrolytes. That means what? When we dissolve an acid in water, we get acid solution. That solution is known as acidulated solution. What is that solution known as? अगर मैंने नींबू के रस को पानी में घोल दिया तो वो solution जो है वो क्या हो गया आपका? Acidulated solution. क्या हो गया basically? Acidulated solution. And the solution of all acids, they conduct electricity. दुनिया के जितने acid solutions हैं उनमें अगर आप इस तरीके से इलेक्ट्रोड डाल दोगे, दो कैथोड और एनोड, क्लियर, और उसको आप एक बल्ब से कनेक्ट कर दोगे तो वो बल्ब जलने लगेगा. दिस प्रूव्स दैट ऑल एसिड सॉल्यूशंस, दे कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इज दिस क्लियर? राइट है ना? क्लियर? और वो क्यों कंडक्ट करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? बिकॉज ऑल एसिड सॉल्यूशंस, दे हैव आयंस. व्हाट डू दे रिलीज? आयंस. Clear? Or free electrons, and these electrons or ions, they are only responsible to conduct electricity. Clear? So these are the properties. अब हम कुछ और properties को थोड़ा सा देखेंगे. एक और छोटा सा point मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ. Acid react with metal to form hydrogen gas. Note it down. That acids they react with metals to form hydrogen gas. Acids react with metals to form hydrogen gas. Now this point is very clear, that acids, when they react with metal, what do they basically form? They form hydrogen gas. That means metal plus acid, metal plus acid, it gives you what? Salt plus hydrogen gas. So what I said, Chaitanya, metal plus acid will give you what? Salt plus hydrogen gas. अब ये छोटा सा रिएक्शन है, हम लोग करके देख लेते हैं. राइट? लेट अस सी. अगर मैं मान लीजिए जिंक लेता हूं मेटल, Zn plus acid is suppose H2SO4. So what it will form? It will form salt, that is ZnSO4, and it will release hydrogen gas. अब इसको प्रैक्टिकली भी करके देखते हैं. टेक अ टेस्ट ट्यूब. हमने थोड़े दिन पहले ये किया था, आपको याद होगा. You take a test tube, you add zinc granules. What you add is zinc granules in it. Add zinc granules in it, and then drop by drop you pour. Suppose you have added sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So after some time, this zinc will convert into a salt, that is zinc sulfate, and when you bring a burning sphincter, आप एक मान लो जलती हुई माचिस की तीली यहाँ पे सामने लाके रखते हैं, तो it will produce a pop sound. What it will produce? It will produce a pop sound. ठीक है? This proves that the gas released is hydrogen gas. What it is? The gas released is hydrogen gas.